So as you saw, I sanded down this whole part here, up here, and covered it up and painted it, and did that satin black like I'm gonna end up doing the body kit, and it came out very nice. I have one run here, but it's still drying. When it dries up, you won't be able to see it, but it came out good. You can kind of somewhat see like the difference in spraying, but once I wipe it down, it'll all go away. But I'm gonna wait until it dries up, because a lot of that is just the mist from when I was spraying. But it came out pretty damn good. I don't have that clear coat peel that I had before. You can see it on this side. I haven't done this side yet, but this is more like the before. All of that is gone on the other side. Yeah, I had them in the exact same spots too, right there, all up there, up the back, right there. And it looks way better the way I have it now. See, all that's gone. Much nicer. And what you didn't see me doing the previous video or in this video is I got the spacers for the wheels in, so they're a lot more flush with the body of the car now, as you can see. Flush with the body. So this is coming out good, little by little. So what I'm gonna do off camera, I'm gonna do the same thing I did on this side to the other side, and then we'll come back and see when it's all done. I'll probably come back on when I go to do the spoiler, but I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll come back to do the spoiler.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish he knew. That's just like you. I miss you as I need you. I want you. I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you as I need you. I want you. I know life
Now, like the other side, this side came out very good. Very good. Now we don't have to look at that ugly ass clear coat spots from the sun. Looking real nice. Very good. Not bad at all for rattle cam. Check that out. Nice satin black. Gotta put that piece back on. But that's good. I could not wait to get this done. So I'm still debating whether I should put. I bought some, you know how it has those double factory lines going across the body here. That's pretty much where I started this. I have bought some gloss black double lines that I was gonna put following this here, but I'm debating putting it on right now because I'm liking the way it looks, the way it is. Maybe later on in the future I'll decide to put it on, but I'm liking the two-tone on this. I'll leave it like that for now. So next I'm gonna take the spoiler off, which I believe it's just these two bolts here and on the other side, and then I'm gonna give it the same paint job. Kind of liking the look without the spoiler. Ooh. Maybe. Alright, so this is where we're at. As I showed in the last clip, I got it painted. So I took the spoiler out, and turns out one of the points here that mounts onto the spoiler, on the spoiler part, the flat part of the spoiler, it's like cracked in half, so I'm gonna have to fix that. So I'm gonna have to rock the non-spoiler look. So I ended up putting these on here to cover all the holes temporarily, so that way if it rains, no water gets into the trunk. But kind of liking the no spoiler look. Guess I can rock the no spoiler look for now. But this is how she sits, and I guess I'm gonna leave the painting of the spoiler on the next one. More than likely, if I end up painting the spoiler, then I'll probably be working on these things here too. So yeah, that's where she lies. I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Why so serious?
You gonna fix the car?
Yeah.